If x equal to 2a plus 3 over 3a minus 2, express this in terms of a. Then there will substitute 2a plus 3 over 3a minus 2 for x in the given expression. It simply says anywhere you see your x, replace the x with 2a plus 3 over 3a minus 2. Very important. When you come across something like this, you don't need to start panicking or wasting time. Very simple. All you need to do is just to trash this on the board. What are you waiting for? Let's trash this. Now on the board, you have we'll repeat this question because this is what we are looking for. We are expressing. So it will be x minus 1 over 2x plus 1. Anywhere you have your x, this is your x. So you replace this x you're seeing now with this. So this x now will be replaced using 2a plus 3 over 3a minus 2 minus 1. We are done with the numerator. Now let's come to the denominator. Now this 2x means 2 times 2a plus 3 over 3a minus 2 plus 1. Now, we're going to take this step by step. First of all, I want to solve the numerator first. I'll solve the numerator first and solve the denominator. After solving the numerator, then later we'll bring them together for easier understanding. First, I want to take the numerator. Now, I'll bring the numerator here, this side, which is your 2a plus 3 over 3a minus 2. Set it down, minus 1. To balance the equation, we put over 1 here. Now, we're going to look for the LCM. The LCM of 3a minus 2 and 1 is the same as 3a minus 2. Now, when 3a minus 2 goes into 3a minus 2, when this cancel out this, it remains 1. Now, 1 times 2a plus 3 will give us 2a plus 3. We'll put our minus there. When 3a minus 2 goes into 1, it gives you 3a minus 2. Times 1 will also give you the same 3a minus 2. Let me see it now. And this should be in a bracket. Should be in a bracket. Now, let's solve this now. It's now be 2a plus 3 minus 3a. Minus times minus is plus 2 over 3a minus 2. Now, we're going to do this to get the final one. 2a minus 3a will give us minus a. Plus 3 plus 2 give us plus 5 over 3a minus 2. This is for the numerator. This is for the numerator. Now let's solve for the denominator. Now solving for the denominator, it looks like this. 2 bracket 2a plus 3, you close the bracket, over your 3a minus 2 plus 1. To balance it, you put your over 1 here. Now let's open the bracket now. You see 2 times 2a will give us 4a plus 2 times 3 is 6 over, you have your 3a minus 2 plus 1 over 1. Now we need to look for the LCM as well. Now the LCM of 3a minus 2 and 1 is the same as 3a minus 2. Now 3a minus 2 into 3a minus 2 will give us 1. 1 times 4a plus 6 will give us 4a plus 6. See it now? Plus 3a minus 2 into this is 3a minus 2 times 1 will give us, open the bracket, 3a minus 2. See it now? Now the next thing we need to solve to get a final one. Now you say your 4a plus 6 plus 3a. Plus times minus is minus 2 all over 3a minus 2. Now, this is not the final answer. To get the final answer of this will be 4a plus 3a will give you 7a. See it now? 6 minus this will give us 4 over 3a minus 2. Now, this here is for the answer to the denominator. Why this is the answer to the what? Numerator. Now, to solve, remember there is a big division sign under it. Now, let's use the numerator we've gotten to divide the denominator. Now, I'm going to write out the numerator we have up here. The numerator is minus a plus 5 all over 3a minus 2 divided by, you have your 7a plus 4 all over 3a minus 2. Now we'll use this to divide this. We'll use this to divide this. To divide it, you repeat this to be minus a plus 5, which is this, over 3a minus 2. Now this, now we reduce this to this to be 7a plus 4 over 3a minus 2. Now there's what we call reciprocal, which will be the next thing, which is minus a plus 5, which is this same thing, you repeat it there, over 3a minus 2. Now the division sign changes to multiplication sign. Immediately the denominator becomes the numerator and the numerator becomes the denominator plus 4. After this will cancel out this. So leaving us with minus a plus 5 all over 7a plus 4. You can leave your answer like this, or you take the 5 that is at the back, take it, bring it to the front, and the minus a, bring it behind. You can leave your answer like this if you want. You can also change it this way. The plus 5 goes to the front, minus a comes back. See it? The 4 goes to the front, plus 7a comes back. So you can either leave it this way or this way as the answer. Thank you.